Spirit, talk into that device for us. Tell us everything about yourself. Could you make the light come on again for us? Or make that ball flash?
Spirit, did you used to live in Scunthorpe or Flixborough, this area? Was you a Scunthorpe man, born and bred?
It's just me moving about. Spirit, can you try and touch that red light for us, please? We just want to know that you're definitely there, Spirit. Touch any of the devices, it doesn't matter which. It can be a ball, it can be a rempod, it can be absolutely anything.
Spirit, did you used to work on the railway track when Flixborough went up in 1974? Was you down here? Spirit, was your life working on the railway track? Your life?
Can you make a noise for us, Spirit, so that we know you're there?
Spirit, do you want us to leave?
Are we invading your...
privacy? If you want us to leave, can you flash a ball, please, or make a noise for us, please? If you don't want us to be here.
I'll just listen to this. What did? Oh, that sensor. Yeah, it's probably because I was in the way of the thingy. Right.
Can you do that again, Spirit, if that was you, please?
Right, let's listen to CVP. We're still...
Yes, Spirit, you can play with these. You don't, you? You just make pretty colour lights. See?
Right.
Do that. And that. And this makes...
This device for me, just let me know that you're here. Or touch that ball again for me. That's the car going over, guys. Spirit, touch that ball again, what you touched a minute ago for me.
Is that you, Spirit? Are you there again? That's just a car going over.
What going in louder? What going in louder?
Spirit, try to talk into that device I've just put down on the track for me. Tell us who you are.
She's Yeah, Spirit.
Spirit, try to make the light flash again for us.
It's really Spirit's here tonight. I mean, you no harm, just respect. Don't worry about the light. You can see where you're going then. This green light won't hurt you. It'll just tell me if
Spirit,
you're
talk to
here.
that device for us. Tell us everything about yourself. Could you make the light come on again for us? Or make that ball flash?
Just got to make sure my camera's still recording. That was me, guys. Still recording.
Can you do it again, please, Spirit? I just want to make sure it's not me what's doing that. Oh, both of you. Thank you, Spirit. Can you just do it once more, just to make sure I'm stood still? Can you do it again, please?
Can you touch the red light, please?
Spirit, can you try and touch that red light for us, please?
Spirit, can you see that red light in the centre? Touch it and it'll have some lovely colours. Can you do that,
Right.
please?
Oh, I'm just going to sit here a minute.
Touch any of the devices. It doesn't have to wait. It could be a ball, it could be a red light, it could be absolutely anything.
Yeah, Spirit.
The light keeps going on and off, guys. So it shows something's around. Because I'm not moving. Spirit, try and make the other light go off as well. There's nobody else stood near it, and there's nobody else stood near me either. And I'm just sat still on the side of the track.
I'm here.
Spirit, can you make the other light go off at the other direction?
Can you make both of them go, please, Spirit?
Can you make a noise for us, Spirit, so that we know you're there?
Spirit, can you flash to the other light and tell him to flash the light, please? That's it, you tell him to flash it for us, please.
Right, I'll listen to that when I get home because I can't hear it. Right. Don't think there's anything picked up on that though, to be honest. Right, let's put that in there. Spirit, try and touch the red light for us. If you can do that for me. Can hear something. That sounds like somebody's dog though. Spirit, try and make a loud noise for us, just to let us know that you're there. Get one of these stones and just throw it. Or just move one of these stones if you can.
Spirit, this is... See, can you just do that for us? Could you do that, please?
Spirit, try and either move a stone or throw a stone back to us.
I'm cold.
I've just felt a cold breeze.
Spirit,
I'll get
is
my
that you? Is there a train coming?
try and get my EMF meter out. That's it. Spirit, try and come towards me, to come towards this K2 meter here. I'll put it on the track actually.
There's no wind on.
No.
There's no wind up there.
Nope.
It's cold wind.
Mm. You know, it's the light stopped flashing now. The light-
Spirit, can you flash it again, please? Just make sure you're there.
It proves it's not me because I'm moving around at the moment and it's not coming on, so it proves it wasn't me setting it off. I've just seen something like twinkle in front of me. Spirit, try to come towards me. Come towards this green light that's down here. If you come towards it, the lights will move and that's when I will know that you're with me.
Spirit, are you running low on energy?
Take our energy. Take all our energy.
We offer you it.
If you need our energy to sound any of the devices, by all means take our energy. Can you make any of them balls flash? They're the easiest. They're the easiest things to do. Let's put the K2 meter on there. You touched one of the balls earlier. Can you touch it again for me? The ball that's over near the light and the black device without the red light, you touched it earlier on, that ball, and it went off.
Is the spirit down here who used to work on the railway track? Are you here?
I'll keep seeing something move at that end. What is? Is it? Spirit, come a bit closer to me. Come to where this torchlight is for me. Come and stand around there. That was in that direction.
Was that you, Spirit?
That was definitely in that direction. Definitely over that way. Got a gnat trying to eat me to death. Gnats seem to like me.
Is there any spirits down here tonight, Are we just by ourselves? Can you give us a sign, please? They won't hurt you, these devices. They just show you that you're here.
I'm sure I just heard something move.
If that was you, Spirit, could you do it again, please?
Try to scare us, Spirit. Do something to try and frighten us. The camera goes all blurry when I move it too far.
Spirit, was this a busy track then? In the 1970s? Was it busy? And hard work? bet you worked long hours down here, did you, Spirit?
I can hear somebody walking. That's definitely somebody walking. That's an aeroplane. Can definitely hear footsteps though.
Spirit, you don't have to tiptoe. We mean you no harm, no disrespect. Just want to help you.
Don't be afraid, Spirit. We're not afraid of you. You shouldn't be afraid of us. There's no reason to be afraid of us.
Spirit, are you British? If you're British, can you make one of these devices go off, please? Or flash them lights?
I'm definitely sure I've just heard something.
I did. I did.
I think it's playing hard to get tonight.
It is. Spirit, did you used to work in the steelworks for a long time, or was it just a few years? Was you down here when you was a young lad, Spirit?
Let's try and give it down to answer. I can definitely hear footsteps. Sounds like something with boots on. Yeah, I definitely hear something with boots on. It sounds like it's boots anyway.
Spirit, did you used to wear heavy boots to protect your feet?
Spirit, try to use our energy to manifest yourself somehow. Or take our energy to try and set any of these devices off that we have here.
Spirit, can you see the red light in the centre? That means does not mean stop. If you press it, it'll flash some lights up. Can you do that for us, please?
It'll be different colour, Spirit. Sorry about the cars going over, guys. It's just that we're on a bridge. Or under a bridge. Spirit, try to come towards this green light that I've got here next to me. Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's one here, Spirit. If you want to touch that one, pleasure. Can you do that again, please, Spirit?
Spirit, come towards me again. I've just seen you coming towards me. Don't be afraid. I'm not going to harm you. Come towards me. You're more than welcome. I think I caught that on camera. I can hear somebody.
Could you do that again, please, Spirit? Make these green lights go into orange.
Sound like a woman's voice. Yeah.
Spirit, is there any female used to work down here on the railway tracks?
Richard.
Spirit, if that's a female, could you do that again, please? Did you used to work down here on the railway track with the men?
Spirit, if that's you and you're a female, come back towards me. I'm not going to harm you. I can hear you. Sound like somebody crying. It did. It literally sounded like a woman crying.
Spirit, if that's the female, was you crying?
Spirit, if you was crying, come towards me. Come and sit with me, Spirit. Come and sit next to me, Spirit. Don't be afraid. I'm not here to harm you.
If there's a female who used to work on the railways, can you make a device go off, please? If there's a female down here tonight, please.
I'm definitely sure that that voice sounded like a woman crying. Yeah, it definitely sounded like a woman crying. Spirit, come back towards me. Make these lights go to orange again for me. It does sound like a train. It does actually sound like a train. Yeah, it's like... Yeah.
Spirit, was that you on a train coming down here on the train tracks?
Hearing sounds of a train now, guys.
There's no other train tracks around here.
No. No, because the nearest train tracks here is in town.
Yeah.
And that goes over Scotland Bottom and we're nowhere near. So...
That's weird.
Sounds like a bit like a rumble as well. You know, like what a train would have sounded like.
Carriages, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
There's really female spirits down here tonight.
I heard a noise then. Over that side, I think. The spirit who came close to me, thank you, come towards me again. I just seen that you come towards me again. That's it, keep coming towards me. Can see the lights moving. Come towards me, spirit. And my phone's on flight mode as well, guys. Come towards me, spirit. Come and take a seat next to me.
Let's go across here, Spirit. You've got room to sit.
Right, spirit, he's moving over there now, so you can come and sit next to me.
Yeah.
Right, spirit, come and sit next to me again.
Hi, Spirit.
The
Right.
lights coming on again.
Is that a female spirit what's doing that? If it is, can you flash 3 times only, please? 3 times if it's a female.
Once. No.
So if you're a male, can you flash twice, please? If you're a male, can you make it flash twice? Spirit, is that a little boy?
If that's the spirit of a child, go touch that teddy for us. It's not going to harm you. It'll just make a little noise when you touch it. Or if you're a child, come towards me and come and sit with me. Come and sit here again, spirit. Come to this green light here. Or push one of the balls off the railway.
Spirits, was there a child what used to work down here? Are you down here, Spirit?
thought maybe they used children for slave labour.
Could do. Spirit, if there's a child down here, did they used to make you work for little pay?
Spirit, if you're a child, come and sit over near me because I'm a parent. I've got a son myself, so I've got a child spirit. So if you want to come and sit with me, come towards this green light next to me and then I will know that you're there. Or could you turn one of them lights on again for us?
Spirit, are you a small girl child?
A little girl.
Spirit, are you a little girl who used to work on the railway tracks? Are you down here tonight? Spirits, is there anybody stopping you from talking to us tonight? If there is, can you make a device waft, please?
Right, what I'm going to try and do as well, I think, is I'm going to try and do an EVP and we'll just not say a single word, don't ask any questions, you know, just leave it.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Oh, right. Spirit, come and talk into this black box that's here next to me. Car going over, guys. The car's just gone over. Spirit, come towards me again. I can see you trying. Right, so I'll have a listen back to that when I get home, because it does get a bit noisy here sometimes. So I'll listen to that when I get home and let you guys know if anything happens on it. But as you can see, guys, when I had the EVP going, you could see the EMF meter virtually going into the red at some occasions. Obviously, I'm doing two different videos at the moment. I'm doing this one, and I'm also doing one on my other camera as well. Richard, we've got a bowl going off.
I haven't touched that.
Oh.
Right, I see it.
Spirit, do that again for us.
I need to do it.
Pardon?
You there, Spirit? Can you make that ball flash?
Spirit, you can see that we're not going to harm you now.
You touch Susie. The teddy bear. Don't worry about that. You can see this ball here.
Yeah, one of them balls went off. Yeah, that one went off.
Can you do that, please, then? I'll be out your way.
Right, Spirit, try and set one of them balls off. Right,
Do it again, please.
try and walk in front of that device again. I've got both sensor lights at the moment going off like crazy. That's one of them.
Nice, Spirit. You're back again.
That's
Thank
the other
you.
one going off as well. Just doesn't want to touch the rempod tonight for some reason. But somebody did live here last night and they kept touching his rempod all the time. And they actually saw some stick figures on his live as well.
Are you trying to communicate, Spirit? Is that what you're trying to do? And that's why you're always saying you're here. We can see you, Spirit, but can you tell us, are you a male? If you're a male, can you flash it twice, please? Right? Can you flash it twice if you're male?
Try and move this
Once.
camera as well now. Can see the EMF meter moving as well now.
Twice.
Spirit, come towards this. That's it. Keep coming towards it, Spirit. You're doing really, really well. Right, come towards me. Come really close up to that device for me and make the lights go all into the red for me. Do you know what I've not brought tonight? Which I'm going to have to do on this camera. I'm going to set necrophonics off in a few minutes. I'm going to end this one. We'll carry on the other one. And then I'm going to set necrophonics. See if it can speak to us through necrophonics.
Can you flash again, please, Spirit?
So guys, I'm going to end this video soon and you'll see the other video from where we carry on and where we do necrophonics and that from... Did you hear that? That was a clear noise, that was.
Yeah.
That was a really clear noise then. That really was a clear noise. It's blooming gnats, they're trying to eat me to death. Go away.
Spirit, did something just try to scare you? Is this why you can't talk to us?
Yeah, the gnats in my ears. Spirit children, is there something that's stopping you from coming through? Right, come towards my camera, Spirit. Come towards right up to my camera and make these lights go into the red, Spirit. Come really close up to this device here. Like you've been trying to do. That's it. Keep coming. What? Keep coming a bit closer, Spirit.
If you're struggling, use my energy. I offer you my energy.
Yeah, take our energy, Spirit.
I offer you it.
You're more than welcome. Right, I'm going to end this video in a minute and then I'm going to put necrophonics on and you will see the results on the other video that I'm currently doing. That's been on for quite some time now. It's restarted itself again.
Yeah, Spirit.
Oh, let's do. Right, I'm going to end this video